Welcome guys! In this video, we will be taking a closer look on jiggle movement. Jiggle movement is basically strafing left and right continuously, example like this. There are many different types and different ways of jiggle movements. But the basic jiggle movement is literally dragging your joystick left and right continuously at a constant speed. Here is an example. This is how your movements will look from your opponent's field of view. Jiggle movement looks a bit faster in your enemy's view, so it will help you to dodge the bullets, or it just makes you a harder target to hit and extremely effective in close range fights. To learn how to do jiggle movement, here is a simple way. You need to move your joystick left and right continuously at a constant speed. Try to do as fast as you can. But don't move too fast as it might hurt your finger. Anyway, here is another way you can learn it. First, you need to pull your joystick towards right and count 1 to 3, and then pull the joystick towards left side and once again count 1 to 3. And now again pull your joystick towards right and count 1 to 3. Continue doing it left and right. It should look like this. Try counting as fast as you can. Now it's perfectly balanced on both left and right jiggle movements. But when jiggling you will lose some accuracy, so it will mess up your aim. Here is a training drill that might help you. You need to trace these moving targets while jiggling like this. You have to either use your gyroscope or thumb finger to trace the aim. Practice until you think you have improved a bit. And after tracing, start shooting while jiggling left and right. Try to hit all the targets in a single round. You need to keep in mind that there is no use of jiggling when you can't aim properly. Anyway, this is the basics of jiggle. There are two jiggle movements, I believe. First one is fast jiggle movement. To do this you need to move your joystick as fast as you can. And second one is long jiggle. You can do this by counting 1 to 3 or even more, depending on how long you want to do. You can also jiggle randomly without counting, but counting will give you an idea on how long you need to strafe left and right. So when do you need to jiggle? And what jiggle you need to do? You can use both fast jiggle and slow jiggle in your normal close range fights, as their purpose is to dodge the bullets. It's all up to you which you think is easier to learn. I personally use fast jiggle in my gameplays, so if you practice your brain will automatically memorize the movements and it will build up the muscle memory. Sometimes you don't even realize that you're jiggling. There are 4 ways you can move while jiggling. You can move backwards by pulling your joystick back while jiggling. It will look like this for your enemies. And now you can move towards your enemy or target by moving forward or pulling your joystick upwards while jiggling. This is how it looks in your enemy's view, super effective if you're an aggressive player or while rushing someone. And you can also move left and right by forcing on one side. This is how it looks in your opponent's view if you force yourself to move left or right. What to do if your opponent is also jiggling, and how to win against them. The only way to outperform the jiggle is by having a better aim and shooting first or pre-firing. And try to do long jiggle, it might make you an harder target to hit. And the most important thing is crouch jiggling and jump jiggling. Using crouch and jump while jiggling will make you even more harder target to hit. To learn how to crouch while jiggling, first you need to do normal jiggle like this. And now crouch and uncrouch immediately as fast as you can while jiggling, example like this. Here is a tip. Full booster, taking a painkiller and energy drinks will make your movements more faster. Full boost will increase your jiggle speed. Here is another tip. Jiggling while reloading will help you to escape from enemies' bullets or help you to dodge the bullets, so when reloading try to do jiggle as fast as you can. It might save you. Anyway, this is the basics of jiggle movement. Doing jiggle is pretty easy, but maintaining aim while jiggling is so hard and takes a lot of time to learn. So you can't learn everything overnight. It will take few days to learn, and I hope you learned something new. If you did, hit the like button and subscribe for more content like this, and comment down below what video you want next, and enjoy my bot gameplay.
above me. I saw no shadow, searched every building and home that I found. I saw no shadows, but felt the glow. The warmth inside me kept me afloat. It felt like heaven, it found my bones and gave me comfort when I feel alone. I'm alone, I guess it's time to get better. I will go alone. If I fall, break my bones, I will scream even louder. I'm not dying alone. I lost my best friend to 23. Left her body and hovered above me. I heard the heavens crying above me. The gain's an angel, I lost a friend.